So here, as you can see, I've created a animated text GIF, and now I'll show you how you can make this kind of animated text GIF. First of all, on your mobile, you have to install the CapCut app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and simply search for CapCut, and all you have to need install CapCut on your mobile. Now just go ahead and open the CapCut app and tap on new project to create a new project. And now I'm selecting photos, and now I'm going to selecting a photo from my gallery, so maybe this photo, and tapping on add. And then here, as you can see, a project successfully created, and here you will see a CapCut outro. Just select the outro and just delete the outro layer, just like so. And now it's time to add our text here. So select text and tap on add text. Now all you have to need, write here your text and go to style and select a style for your text. Go to effects, and now from this effect list you can go ahead and select a free effect, just like so. Go into style again, and now you can increase your text, and if you want you can rotate your text, just like so. And now just go to animations tab, and all you have to need, here you will find lots of free animations. You have to select a free animation from this list. So I'm adding this animation, for example, and tapping on done. And now just tap on this 1080p or resolution icon, and here you have to select GIF and tap on export, and you have successfully exported the GIF. Now just go to your gallery, and here you will see the GIF that you just created. So this is how we can easily make a animated GIF text.